The always reliable Polk Audio is one of our favorite amplifier manufacturers because they always hit their specs. Actually, they regularly exceed them. And their PA660 high-performance 4-channel amplifier left us as satisfied as What, I can't say any of that? Polk rates this amplifier with CEA 2006 compliance specifications for true accurate power ratings at 75 watts RMS by 4 channels at 4 ohms, 85 watts RMS by 4 channels at 2 ohms, and 150 watts RMS bridged at 4 ohms. Not bad for a $200 4-channel amplifier, but let's see how it performs. Let's start off big. Channels 1 and 2 bridged. For situation wiring 1 subwoofer. Channels 3 and 4 are open, 14.4 volts, 4 ohms, 40 hertz. Our audio meter picked up an impressive and clean 236 watts RMS, and our oscilloscope read 32.4 volts out. Power consumption was 484 watts, and we got 33.6 amps of current. Going up to 1 kilohertz, our audio meter went down to 209 watts RMS, 34.1 volts. Both tests surpassed Polk's ratings, making this a great 3-channel amplifier. Let's see what this thing can really do. We'll go dual bridge for 2 subs, dual 4 ohm loads, 14.4 volts, 1 kilohertz. Our audio meter picked up 156 watts RMS, again over Polk's rating of 150 watts RMS. Then we went down to 40 hertz, and our audio multimeter slightly increased to 159 watts RMS, and got 26.6 volts on the oscilloscope. Next up, 2 channels. 4 ohms not bridged, 40 hertz. Our audio meter picked up 80 watts RMS clean. The oscilloscope picked up soft clipping with an output voltage of 19.5 volts. Power consumption was 286 watts and 19.7 amps of current. Going up to 1 kilohertz, we got an RMS of 72 watts and an output voltage of 19.4 volts. Let's see how much more power we can get going down to 2 ohms on 2 channels. 1 kilohertz. The audio meter picked up 109 watts RMS clean, 16.7 volts on the oscilloscope. Power consumption climbed to 471 watts and 32.7 amps of current. Same setup down to 40 hertz, and the amplifier went up to 119 watts RMS. Let's now test 4 channels, 4 ohms, 40 hertz, with a scope on channels 1 and 3. The audio meter picked up 65 watts RMS clean, 17.3 volts, power consumption of 488 watts, and 33.9 amps of current. Going up to 1 kilohertz, we got 61 watts RMS Pre Clipping. Not bad. The Polk PA660 tested very well because it's built properly. It also helps that it looks clean as f***. The double layer fiberglass epoxy printed circuit boards offer more rigidity, less shrinkage, and a smaller overall amplifier footprint. High-speed Mosfet switching power supply and high current bipolar output transistors pump maximum voltage and high current to your speakers or subwoofers. Adjustments include gain control, variable low pass and high pass filters, and bass boost. To prevent damage to your gear, the PA660 offers several protection modes, including thermal, overcurrent, overload, reverse polarity, and short circuit. Dimensions of the amplifier are 8 1/8 inches in width, 13 1/4 inches in length, and 2 inches in height. We recommend using 4-gauge power and ground wires, and 10 to 12 gauge for speaker connections. Check out all of our amplifier installation kits for your system, link in the bio. That's it on the PA660. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. But if you hate it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're new. Get all of your car audio and video gear with us today at qualitymobilevideo.com. Thanks for watching.